Hey everyone, Josh here with Taruca Adventure Gear. I wanted to take a quick moment to show you our new bracket system, everything that comes with the mounting system, and how you would actually install your brackets onto the back of your awning. In this case, we have our shower awning here, but this is going to be the same for any of our 270s, 180s, or square awnings. So in the bag, you're going to have all the tools that you need, which will include a ratcheting 13 millimeter wrench. It's also going to include an Allen key for the bolts. You'll have your adjustable HD brackets, and of course, all your hardware. The first thing you're going to want to do is get your brackets assembled. Now, I mentioned that these are adjustable, so this is your base plate that will mount onto your roof rack, and this is the face mounting plate that we're going to put on the back of the shower awning or whichever awning you have. This will mount to there with 4 bolts, and it's adjustable in height, and you can gain about 4 inches of adjustment off of that. Your completed bracket, once it's set up, should look like this. Adjust to the needs of your height for your setup. On the back of your awning, on our backing plate, you'll see 4 T-slots. You're going to take 1 bolt and slide into each slot. Just like so. And then you'll put a washer on each of these bolts. It's important to have a washer on the face of this just to help protect the T-slot here and provide additional strength for our freestanding capabilities. Then you'll take your bracket, line it up onto the bolts like so. Take 4 more washers. And go ahead and install the 4 locking nuts. Now these are nylon locking nuts, no need to add any kind of adhesive or Loctite to these. They'll hold in place on their own. Go ahead and take your 13 millimeter ratcheting wrench and tighten all these down. And you can use your hardware to mount this to your roof rack. And that's how simple it is to mount your new awning to your vehicle. If you have any additional questions, feel free to leave a comment below, or you can reach us by visiting www.tarucausa.com, where you can find all of our contact information.